Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see international organization and their headquarters. Let's begin. First one is WHO. WHO full form is World Health Organization. WHO founded on 7th April 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva is a place and Switzerland is a country. WHO present president is Tedros Adhanom. It has 194 members and its main aim is to give a better health for everyone and everywhere. On this day, April 7th, World Health Day is celebrated. UNICEF. UNICEF full form is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It founded on 11th December 1946. UNICEF headquarters is in New York. It is in USA. The present president is Henrietta H. Fore. It has 192 member states. Its main aim is to provide a humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. World Bank. World Bank founded on July 1944. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C., USA. And its president is David Malpass. It has 189 member states and it is an international financial institution. It provides loans and grants to government of poorer countries. Next one is RBI. RBI full form is Reserve Bank of India. It founded on 1st April 1935. RBI headquarters is in Mumbai. RBI governor is Shaktikant Das. It is India's central bank. It controls issues and supply of Indian rupee. RBI is the regulator of the entire banking system of the India. ADB. ADB full form is Asian Development Bank. It founded on 19 December 1966. ADB headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. ADB president is Masagasu Ashikawa. Its purpose is to social and economic development. It has 68 member countries. United Nations. United Nations founded on 24 October 1945. United Nations headquarters is in New York, USA. The president is Antonio Guterres. United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security. It has 193 member states. Next is UNESCO. UNESCO full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It founded on 16 November 1945. Its headquarters is in Paris, France. And president is André Azoulay. UNESCO purpose is to build a peace of mind in men and women. And it does this by helping nations work together through education for all, science and culture. It has 195 member countries. IMF. IMF full form is International Monetary Fund. IMF founded on 27 April 1945. IMF headquarters is in Washington, D.C., USA. And its president is Kristalina Georgieva. IMF has 189 member countries and it is working to foster global monetary cooperation. It facilitates international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and it reduces poverty around the world. Next is UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program. UNDP founded on 22 November 1965. UNDP headquarters is in New York, USA, and its president is Achim Steiner. UNDP advocates for change and connect countries to knowledge, experience and resources to help people to build a better life for themselves. And UNDP has 177 member countries. Next is WTO, that is World Trade Organization. It founded on 1st January 1995. WTO headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Its president is Roberto Azevedo. WTO is the only international organization dealing with rules of trade between the nations. Its purpose is to reduce tariffs and other barriers to trade, and it has 164 member states. Next is WWF, that is World Wide Fund for Nature. It founded on 29 April 1961. WWF headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland, and its president is Ettore Roberts. WWF is an international non-governmental organization. It is working in a field of wilderness preservation and reduction of human impact on environment. Next is ASEAN. ASEAN full form is Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It founded on 8th August 1967. ASEAN headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia, and its general secretary is Jim Lock Hoi. ASEAN consisting of 10 member states. They are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. Next is BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC full form is Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. It founded on 6th June 1997. BIMSTEC headquarters is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Its Secretary General is Muhammad Shahid al-Islam. The 7 member states, they are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. Is SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. It founded on 2011. SCO headquarters is in Beijing, China. SCO president is Vladimir Narov. The Cooperation Organization has 8 member states. They are China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan. Next is SAARC. SAARC full form is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. SAARC founded on December 1985. Its headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal, and its Secretary General is Isala Ruwan Virakon. Now we will repeat all the organization which we have read. The first one is WHO, World Health Organization. It founded on 7th April 1948. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. President is Tedros Adhanom. Next is UNESCO. UNESCO means United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It's founded on 11th December 1946. Headquarters is in New York, USA. President is Henrietta H. Fore. World Bank. It founded on July 1944. Headquarters is in Washington, D.C., USA. President is David Malpass. Next is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It founded on 1st April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Governor is Shaktikant Das. Next is ADB, Asian Development Bank. It founded on 19 December 1966. Headquarters is in Manila, Philippines. President is Masagusu Ashikawa. Next is UN, United Nations. It founded on 24 October 1945. Headquarters is in New York, USA. President is Antonio Guterres. Next is UNESCO, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It founded on 16 November 1945. Headquarters is in Paris, France, and its president is André Azoulay. Next is IMF, International Monetary Fund. It founded on 27 April 1945. Headquarters is in Washington, D.C., USA. President is Kristalina Georgieva. This is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. It founded on 22 November 1965. Headquarters is in New York, USA. President is Achim Steiner. WTO. WTO full form is World Trade Organization. It founded on 1st January 1995. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. President is Roberto Azevedo. Next is WWF, World Wide Fund for Nature. It founded on 29 April 1961. Its headquarters is in Gland, Switzerland. Its president is Ettore Roberts. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It founded on 8th August 1967. Its headquarters is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Secretary General Jim Jock Hoi. BIMSTEC full form is a Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. It founded on 6th June 1997. Headquarters is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Secretary General is Mohammad Shahid Al Islam. Shanghai Cooperation Organization, founded on 2001, headquarters is in Beijing, China. President is Vladimir Noro. Last is SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It founded on December 1985. Headquarters is in Kathmandu, Nepal. Secretary General is Isala Ruwan Virakon. Thank you guys for watching my video. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, share and like.